In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a guest to Asana. If you're collaborating with teammates, clients, or external partners and want to give them access to your workspace or project, Asana makes the process very quick and simple. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several easy ways to invite guests or teammates directly from your Asana account. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Asana website. Once the page loads, sign in to your account using your login credentials. After logging in, you'll arrive at your main dashboard or workspace page. The first method for inviting someone is through the workspace menu. Move your cursor to the My Workspace section located on the left side of the screen. When you hover over it, a small menu will appear. From there, click the option labeled Invite Teammates. A pop-up window will then open on your screen. Inside the invitation window, you can begin entering the email addresses of the people you want to invite. You're allowed to add multiple accounts at the same time, which is very useful if you're inviting several team members or guests all at once. After typing in the email addresses, simply click the Send button to deliver the invitations. Another easy way to invite people is by using the Invite Teammates button located near the bottom section of your screen. Clicking this option will open the same invitation pop-up window. Just type in the accounts you want to add and send the invitations once you're finished. The last method is by inviting people directly into a specific project or workspace. To do this, open any project or workspace where you want someone to collaborate. Once inside, look toward the upper right section of the screen and click the Invite button. After selecting it, a new invitation window will appear. Enter the email address of the teammate or guest you'd like to add. Once everything looks correct, click Send. After sending the invitation, you'll usually see a confirmation message showing that the account has successfully been invited to the workspace or project. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, inviting guests or teammates in Asana is a straightforward process and only takes a few moments to complete. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.